Hey guys, let's have a room tour, shall we? So when you enter the room, on your right you have the closet. So you have the closet over here. It's spacious actually. Hanger situation over here. Shoes over there. If I ever folded clothes, they'll go up there. And we have a hanging rack over here in case of laundry or whatever. That's that. And then as you come this side, you have another place for suitcase. My suitcase is down here because I needed to display my hats. You're gonna wear a hat from here on. Maybe not. And then on the left side you have the bathroom. Let's get in. So you have the bathroom over here. Such an amazing bathroom. Such an amazing bathroom. It's all black. And also let's acknowledge I'm very colorful today. Thank you. So you have the bathtub over here. I will get close. Towel rack over here, and then I love this setting. I will get close to your heartache if you want to open your door. So you have an amazing mirror with two lights over here. Then you have a magnifying mirror over here. Let's not look too close. We might start seeing things. And then you have the shower. I'm feeling kinda lost when your mind is hiding whatever that is choking your chest. I can see it in your eyes that you're shaking, cause you're holding it back. Maybe you'll make up your mind now I'm here by your side. So let it all out of me. Let it all out of me. Oh, I will hold you in the dark, make you forget about what's wrong. Let it all out of me. Let it all out of me. You won't get closer to me if you won't open your door. So you can either decide whatever you're feeling. Either shower or get a bath. Love this setting. I don't know why we have this. Probably room service in the bathroom. Who knows? However you're feeling. Back to the rest of the room. So then to the main part of the hotel. You have the bedroom situation happening over here.
I get a little bit breathless. My thoughts are too big. Can I get some comfort, please? I guess I should have been honest. It breaks in my heart. It's weighing me down, baby. I'm like a river that's overflowed. The sooner you know it, the less do we hurt. Let me speak the truth. I know you don't wanna face it. You think it's too late, but I can see past the rain. Won't you lay it on me? Turn the page and burn it. Let's make up a big bonfire on the beach with the stars as our lighters, and throw our problems in the flame. Throw our problems in the flame.
And then you have a desk space over here. As you see, I got work started. I did work for a few. So I just kept my laptop over here. There's light, mirror when I'm bored, more light, speaker. This is not part of the room. And let's check out the view. I'm so glad this video is happening at night. I really gotta hang up that. Sorry. Then come check out this view. Okay. What? Can you see the skylights over there? Please get that. This is just so beautiful. In the morning, it's just the ocean. But right now, you can see the port. I think those are all ships waiting for whatever ships do. I don't know. So that's it. This is the entire room tour. So I'm going to sleep now. It's sometime around 11. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Thank you, Rotana, for having me. I had an absolute fun and enjoyable stay. Thank you, Travel Visual, for being the man. What's your name? The creative head? Thank you, Travel Visual, for being the man behind the scene and the creative head behind Kymmiee lately. Whatever that means. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Give me a thumbs up, and I'll see all of you beautiful faces on the next one. Mwah. Bye! No. What was that? No. I'm repeating that. I hope you guys enjoyed this content, and I'll see all of you beautiful faces on the next one. Mwah. Bye! Yeah, nailed that. And a remote control for the TV, which is freaking amazing. Please come close. Come bring to you. I made it. I'm on screen. My name sort of did make it. So it says, "Welcome, Miss Mapolu." This part is definitely going to be cut out.